At the start of this module, we would like to take a look at what we call the spirit of the Works Council Act. But before we do that, why employee participation is so important. First of all, it makes for better decisions. You get an outsider perspective on your internal decisions and your plans as management. Also, the Works Council members are most likely to be impacted by your plans. They can easily see the possibilities, the good things, but also the flaws in your plans. And with their input, you can make better decisions. Also, employees nowadays expect nothing less when it comes to being involved in the company. And the Works Council is a good starting point to let employees have influence on how things are going within your company. Look at the spirit of the law. The Works Council is at an equal level as the board of directors, but also the supervisory board. But the role, of course, is different. This means together with the director, they can have discussions, share insights, and also share information with the supervisory board when needed. They're an equal sparring partner in that field. Of course, they're bound by the Works Council Act, which we'll discuss later in this module. Also, it's the responsibility of the entrepreneur to make sure there's a good employee participation process, which means you have to involve the Works Council at the correct time in order for them to have influence, but also share enough information with them to be able to fulfill their role. When it comes to the Works Council Act and the influence of the Works Council Act, we look at the company instead of the legal entity. So you can split up your company in different legal entities, but as a Works Council, we look at company-wide. And of course, when it comes to international companies, we look at the borders of the Netherlands when it comes to influence of the Works Council Act, of course. Enjoy the rest of this module.